Our homes are a nest for mould, limescale and rust, which of course can sacrifice your deposit when moving home. Let's cover those essential basics for an end of tenancy clean. You're moving home, got lots of things to pay for, and you've already looked after that property the whole time you've been there. The last thing you need is not to get your deposit back and have lots of headache along the way. On the flip side, you've got the landlord, and some of those landlords see you moving out as a payday. Come clean with us as we actually complete a professional end of tenancy clean, so you can get those secret cleaning hacks of what we do, what we look for, and how we make sure you get your deposit back at the end of the day. Before we dive in, don't forget to drop us a comment if you have any questions, opinions on some of the information we provide you. And of course, click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you catch all future videos. Dust is the biggest culprit. Lights, cupboards, hard to reach areas in general. Because what's the point in cleaning the floors first? Something happens, the dust settles, and you can't even tell they've been cleaned. I can see it now. The next guy or girl moves in, and if they have to change a light bulb, suddenly all that hard work, floor cleaning, comes crashing down. Quite literally, like dust onto the floor.
Oh my God.
Lee, can I borrow that
All that
vacuum?
dust affects other dirt too. If ventilation is a problem for you in your bathroom, mould is a much bigger issue, making it more awkward because it requires more regular cleaning.
So yeah, it's a little bit harder to get in between. The mould on these tiles is on the grouting has really got ground in as well.
Any type of damp makes the dust cling and harder to get rid of, just generally more ugh.
It's called like glass panels or just like...
Shower screen.
What's usually like the, the issue with those, like in terms of build up?
Well, obviously you get limescale. Limescale will build up on anything. It's not too bad here, which is surprising because we're in central Bristol. Central Bristol is a hard water area, so you get quite a lot of build up, a lot of limescale. And then it's the nooks and crannies, it's like these bits.
You live in the UK, bad weather, damp conditions mean a good working radiator is essential. So if you don't thoroughly clean out the radiator, rust will come in and make it harder for everyone because it will have to work harder to keep everyone warm. And actually, even the dust and cobwebs behind or in between the fins of the radiator can affect how much heat it puts out. It's simple, but it's a big problem. Your fridge and your freezer. This is an area which is commonly missed. Why? Because you're living in the property. You don't think about turning it off and cleaning it before the day you move out. So what then happens is your agent or your landlord sends someone round and there'll be a minimum charge applied for that. So what do? Make sure you turn those appliances off. Open the doors up, leave them open, let them warm up to normal room temperature, and then give them a clean.
It's looking better.
What? Better?
What?
Right, that's it. It's looking good. I got a nice wet one here as well.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
The shower screen on this job is literally coming off to rust. The bit that your landlord won't want you to know, the responsibility should only go as far as the cleaning. But do make sure that you report anything like that before you move out. Don't just look here, look up and look down low to make sure you're getting to everything.
So you vacuum the carpet before you do the
Yeah, we vacuum all the carpets,
yeah.
then we pre-treat it with the sprays, and then go over the carpentry. Literally, if it's all bitty like that and you're getting that wet, it's like dust, hair, bits and bobs, whatever. It's just going to stick straight to the carpet. Plus, it'll block up the wand of the carpet machine and it gets stuck in the filters and stuff like that. There's no point because if you get dust wet, it just automatically sticks and stays. And it's
Oh, so it'd be worse, effectively.
it makes it worse. So
Yeah.
you've got to hoover before you actually do the carpet.
We're getting towards the end of our clean. So remember, vacuum, vacuum, and vacuum. Whether it's hard floors, whether it is carpets, that is one of the biggest areas. Make sure you get in all of the fresh holes in doorways, between each rooms, into the corners, and all of those areas. This should most definitely be done before you have a professional carpet clean. If you think this one's a no-brainer, then let us know. But move your furniture. Whether you're taking it with you or it's a furnished property, you have to clean it and you have to clean under it. In this property, the customer knew it was the right thing to do, to the point they were still moving things when we arrived. It's not going to the new property, but it is being stored elsewhere because it doesn't belong to this property. It's time for a little fun. Now, we ended this job with a challenge. Can I, the MD of Vapor Clean, carpet clean this property in 20 minutes or less? I'll leave you with the footage so you can decide. Drop us a comment below before you watch to see if I do it in time. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you very much for watching. And if you liked the video, please click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more hints and tips coming at you very soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.
Right, so Lee set me a challenge. Got 20 minutes to clean these carpets. They're all vacuumed, they're ready to go. So I've got to pre-spray and extract. We're gonna hit it, 20 minutes. Can I pump the canister first? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Slow me down.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Well, I won't take anything for granted. I mean, I am the master, but the master knows you shouldn't guess.
4 minutes so far.
4 minutes.
Yeah.
The thing is, I've got to give it at least 10 before I can extract the first room, because I've got to have dwell time.
Oh god.
I'm pushing it if I don't give it 10 minutes dwell time, so I've got to leave all the carpets in 10 minutes.
Oh, right.
Extract.
Hey, you're not allowed crocodile teeth.
I haven't. I've got sharp teeth.
Oh. Yeah. Coming up to 2 minutes left. 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
2 whole minutes.
Yeah.
Done.
Alright, yeah.